How replacing the motor windings affects the performance of the motor. Replacing the motor windings can have a significant impact on the performance of the motor, both positively and negatively, depending on various factors. Here is a breakdown of the potential effects. Positive effects. Increased efficiency and power output. New windings with better conductivity or higher wire gauge can reduce electrical resistance, leading to less energy loss and more power available for rotation. Improved starting torque. Thicker windings can generate a stronger magnetic field, resulting in higher starting torque, crucial for applications requiring immediate power upon activation. Extended lifespan. Replacing worn-out or damaged windings eliminates potential failure points and prolongs the life of the motor. Enhanced reliability. Fresh windings can handle higher temperatures and operating loads, improving the motor's reliability and resistance to breakdowns. Negative effects. Reduced speed. Increasing the number of windings strengthens the magnetic field but also decreases the motor's operating speed. This might be undesirable for applications requiring high RPMs. Higher current draw. Thicker or more turns of wire increase resistance, leading to higher current draw and potentially overloading the electrical circuit. Lower power factor. Increased resistance can create a phase shift between voltage and current, reducing the power factor and the overall efficiency of the motor. Overheating risk. If not done properly, rewinding with inappropriate wire size or material can lead to overheating and premature failure. Additionally, the specific effects depend on various factors. Type of motor, AC or DC motors, and even specific configurations within those types, react differently to changes in windings. Quality of materials and workmanship. Using high-quality wire and proper winding techniques ensures optimal performance and minimizes negative impacts. Original design and intended use. Rewinding should be consistent with the motor's original design and application to avoid adverse effects. Overall, replacing motor windings can be a valuable way to restore or improve its performance but should be done with careful consideration and by qualified professionals to avoid unintended consequences.